Like from Money Hall, it says there are two women eating in a restaurant. He's very pessimistic about life. He says that life doesn't seem to have any meaning. And one of the women says to the other, well, this food is not it's not very good quality. It's very bad food. And the other woman says, and it's very small quantity too. So that says, well, yeah, that's life, bad quality and small quantity sometimes. Or the other thing, which is like a crazy story to show about human relations. Somebody goes to a psychiatrist and says, my brother is crazy. He thinks that he is a hen and he lays eggs and he's become crazy and he's a hen. And then the psychiatrist says, okay, you bring him and I cure him. So he cures him and takes him back. And then that guy goes back to the psychiatrist, calls him up and says, you know, again, he's again crazy. I mean, again he thinks he's a hen and he's going to lay eggs. Ah, that's too bad. Bring him again. And he says, well, I don't want to bring because I need the eggs. and then Woody Allen says, that's what I'm going to say about love relationships. They are crazy, but we keep them because we need the eggs. So we are involved in love relationships, but we keep them because we need the eggs. So, okay, many jokes, but I'm not going to talk about others. Now, many of Woody Allen's films present philosophical ideas and points of view, but we would like to concentrate on Crimes and Misdemeanors. There's a mistake there. I think it's 1989 and not 1988. I should correct that.
Not that.
No, so I'm sorry to correct me. I think.
We'll take it later.
Later, okay. And discuss its importance. Now, forget about what I said. There is a problem there. I hit it now. If somebody asked you, you saw the movie, what is the main philosophical problem? The main problem, let's not say philosophical, that is asked in this book. Suppose you want to summarize it. Suppose you want to ask your students to summarize the movie. What would be the? I didn't want to show that.
I understand that's what I put the white screen on so we can use the board.
Okay, use the board. Okay, so questions of people, what I would say, we can write them as we usually, you do that. I mean, you ask people, you let them think for 1 minute or one, and then we take.
What do you want them to do?
Well, I suppose we can ask who wants to speak, or do you want to ask all of them?
About the movie.
About the movie. What they think is the most important, if you have to summarize the main problem or the main question, what would it be? Suppose you want to say to a friend, you watch this movie and the problem it raises is the following. Blah. What would you say?
Yes, you got.
When you use a dice, I don't know, you ask.
Yeah, I use the dice in about 2 minutes.
What we're doing now, you may be doing with your students, okay, in class. I mean, when you have them, you show a movie and you do the same thing. Not only with Woody Allen, with other.
Yeah, so we'll be quiet then. seconds if you don't ask for more. And we take a round and you shall state your thesis, but not repeat what some other has said. You're not allowed to repeat. And we start with Panos and Roman.
Yeah, I feel like what the main problem was in the movie, that is it love? Love was the problem?
Okay, I write down love. Is love, or you say is it love? You mean is love possible, or is love? How would you say?
Can you read what you have written?
Yeah, then like what love can make you do.
Okay, what love? Okay, that's a good formulation. What love can make you do? Then I'll ask you later to elaborate after we take everybody's everybody's idea, and then I'll ask you to elaborate exactly how you explain that. Okay?
Yes, Roman, do you have another point?
Pretty girl wants to have a handsome boy to marry because of the good DNA.
So repeat that. So what is the idea there?
DNA.
DNA. How does DNA? But you have to explain how does DNA affect.
Affect, maybe? Or
You'll have to justify your answers in a minute on the basis of the story of the film. Affect people, let's say. Okay.
I'll take a picture. Stop. I'll take a picture. Throw that.
Okay.
Yeah, but put it on front of them and you can write under.
You want me to stand here? You just tell me.
Yes, you can write the question below there.
Affect people. Okay.
Yes, Sophia?
Does it have to be a question?
It doesn't have to be a question. You may say, I mean, it's better if we have a question because then we'll be able to answer them. But if you just want to say the topic is love, as Farmer said, love, or the topic is luck, or the topic is whatever. Just
There's a problem about
The problem was about the crime which was not punished.
crime not punished. Crime not punished. What about a crime that is not punished? Crime not punished. I write. Okay.
so you have something else.
Yes. I have the secrets with your in a couple.
Secrets in a couple. What happens when there are secrets in a couple? Rick, something else?
How to live a life with regrets of deeds in your past.
Okay, wait. I want to erase this and you repeat.
I got some water.
No, I destroyed this.
That was not so bad.
Just a
You're
little
okay.
great disaster. Second,
Yeah. How to live a life
how to live a life
with regret
with regret.
of the deeds
Okay.
you did.
With this, and you know there is another nice word that you may remorse. Not only regret, remorse, guilt.
Yeah.